Welcome in Walchand College of Engineering Laboratory. In the linear integrated circuit course, today we will see the practical session on astable multivibrator. I am Sachin Chavan, working as a lecturer in electronic department, and I will today demonstrate you the astable multivibrator using 555 IC. So this is actually the demonstration kit for this astable multivibrator, and in the theory part I will first of all show you how the T on and T off time of this astable multivibrator will be calculated. So actually this is a multivibrator, right? Multivibrator means what? It will produces this kind of waveform, right? And again, for this multivibrator we don't require any input to this, right, particular IC. So it is this multivibrator is based on 555 IC. Again we will see, we have discussed this IC 555 in the theory lecture, right? So this 555 consists of operational amplifier, two operational amplifier and comparators. Okay, so without any input it will produces this square wave. So in this particular practical session we are going to measure this T on type, right, T on time and T off time, and from this T on and T off time we will calculate the duty cycle. So duty cycle is nothing but the T on plus T off, right? So T on by T on plus T off is a duty cycle, right? And these are the formulas given to calculate the T on and T off time. Sorry. And here is the actual circuit diagram, right? So this trigger pulse, this multivibrator requires this triggering, but this triggering is generated internally by using these components R1 or RA, R2 or RB, and this capacitor. So this capacitor will charge through the supply given by this R1 and R2, through this R1 and R2, and again it will be discharged with some specific time. So due to this capacitor, this circuit produces this triggering, and with this triggering the output of the astable multivibrator is this square wave. So astable means what? So there is a no stable state. So there is a no stable state. It is also called as free running multivibrator. So there is no stable state. So it changes the stables frequently, right, depending on the value of RA and RB. So it is a free running multivibrator. So we need not to give any external input or external trigger to change the state of this multivibrator. That's why it is called as a free running multivibrator. Now you can see this multivibrator. So here I have not connected any input to this again. So internally it will generate the trigger input and it will produces the output. So here you can see the output is generated, which is a square waveform, right? So this is my square waveform, right? So it is fluctuating now. Let's see. Okay, so this is a square waveform. So this is a square waveform produced by this astable multivibrator. Okay, so this kit consists of this 555 timer IC. 555 is nothing but the timer IC, and it will generate a various kind of various states depending upon the input signal, right? So here in a stable multivibrator, input signal is internally generated and it will producing this kind of waveform. Now what is our aim? So our aim is to calculate, see this is my the laboratory manual, right? So our aim is to calculate this readings, right? Or we have to calculate the duty cycle. So for calculating the duty cycle we require this kind of parameters like RA value, that is given R1 in our case, right? In this particular circuit the R1 is given, right? It is actually RA, right? You can consider as a RA. Now we will calculate the T on time, then we observe or measure the T off time, and the combination of T on and T off is the duty cycle. Duty cycle total T is nothing but this T on plus T off, and the duty cycle is equal to T on by T. Now we will observe T on time, T off time, then we will calculate T on plus T off, then we theoretically calculate the frequency, which is 1 by T of this 1 by 1.28 millisecond is my theoretical frequency, and then we will observe the practical frequency, which is we will observe on the DSO, right? So to observe or to take the reading of T on, what we will do, you just follow this procedure
like we have to go into cursor. So I have pressed this cursor, right? Wait, this is cursor I have taken, right? So cursor we will take. So this is my cursor actually, right? So this is the first cursor. So here you can observe this is see my cursor movement. So this is my T on time. See, this is my T on time, right? This is T on and this is T off. So I am measuring T on time. So T on time is 1.36 millisecond. You can see here, right? So it is 1.36 millisecond. It is time, so it is in milliseconds. So 1.360 millisecond. It is my T on time, right? So you just keep this reading, 1.36 millisecond T on time, right? 1.36 milliseconds is T on. You just note down this reading. Again, then T off time, right? So this is cursor fixed middle in the grid of this DSO. Now T off time is what? 640 microsecond. 640.0 microsecond. You just take this reading and note down, right? Why it is showing minus? Because this cursor is at this axis. If suppose my cursor is at the right position, so it will show this kind of, right? So you can observe this T off also. This T on minus this total is 2.046 millisecond minus 1.3 is my T off. म्हणजे काय हे थोडक्यात मी फुल स्केल घेतले T on plus T off. I have measured the T on which is 1.3, means it is suppose this 2 millisecond minus 1.3 remaining is my T off, right? So this is my T off time and this is my T on time. You just measure this reading, right? So this is a total T. Total T is 2 millisecond. And you can see that this frequency, practical frequency is this 473.43 hertz. You just note down this practical frequency. Practical frequency is 461 or 468 hertz. You just note down this practical frequency. So this is all about astable multivibrator. In this astable multivibrator, we have observed the output signal of the astable multivibrator, as well as we have measured the T on and T off time of this output waveform, and also we have measured the output frequency, this frequency of the astable multivibrator. So this is all about the astable multivibrator using IC 555. Not 1, it is a 555 IC 555. Thank you.